Hey guys, I'm Bree, and today I'm going to show you how you can make and use a book and quill in Minecraft. If you want to know how to do this, just go ahead and launch Minecraft and let's get started. So first, what we need are an ink sac, a feather, a book, and then these two are optional, is a chiseled bookshelf and a lectern. But to create the actual book and quill itself, all we need are a book, a feather, and an ink sac. So let's go ahead and craft it. So we're going to put the book here, the ink here, and the feather right there, and now we have a book and quill. Now, what you can do is take the book and right-click, and you are able to actually write in it. So let's write hello, and then the next page will say hi, and the last page will say bye. And what you're going to do is sign it, and we're going to title it Greetings. This would be great to use if you had a multiplayer server and you had a set of rules for a certain town or something that you've created or a community. If you want to write down little notes for somebody, that's another thing you can do. But yeah, so all you would do after you are done with this is go ahead and click sign and close. And just so you know, when you go ahead and sign the book, nobody can edit it anymore. So make sure you are fully done with this and that is exactly the way you want. And just go ahead and click sign and close. And now it looks like it's an enchantment book, but it's not. Now you're probably like, well, what do I do with it? That is where the bookshelf and the lectern come into play. So what you can do is go ahead and put the lectern down and right click. And now when you right click on the book, you are able to flip through the pages and read everything. So you can also take the book with you or you can leave it here. I'm just going to leave it there. And then we can also put these on a chiseled bookshelf. That is how you can make and use a book and quill in Minecraft. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye, guys!